Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is my second video of my birthday haul items. As I mentioned in the first video I did, which I posted yesterday, that was a Louis Vuitton Kirigami set. Instead of doing a haul and unboxing everything at once, which was going to take too long, and I hate long videos, I'm just going to unbox like one or two things at a time. So today I'm unboxing the Chanel items that I got. One of these I bought for myself and the other was a gift from a friend. So I will start with the one that I bought for myself. This is my receipt. And I love the little bag that it comes in. It's very cute. And I want to show you the inside of the bag if you've never seen one of these. Isn't that cool? It reminds me of some kind of like origami. I think it's very cool and pretty to display on a shelf in your closet. So whenever you order from Chanel Beauty, you get to pick a couple of samples. So I picked the mascara because I thought that's perfect for a little makeup bag or in your purse. And I also picked this Le Lift Creme de Nuit, which is night cream, the Lift night cream. So those are the two little free samples, which are great. And I got one of the purse mirrors. So I was lucky. I got on the site before they all sold out. And actually, when I got on the site, all of the colors were there. I picked the yellow one. It's called the Omni. I'll show it to you. Whoops, sorry. There you go. And I decided at the time only to get one, and you can see one side is a regular magnification and one is magnified. So for those, close-ups for your face when you're doing your makeup. And this is a very thin purse mirror. It'll fit easily in any size bag, which is great. The color is really pretty. And the reason that I chose this color is I have a Chanel bag that's pastel colors. It's a tweed bag. And I thought this would look really pretty in that bag, although the bag is mostly pink. So after I picked this up, I decided, gee, maybe I should have gotten the pink one. And I could use this with in a different bag. So I went back onto the site and the pink one was gone and all the other colors were there. I could have gotten the green or the lavender, but I decided, you know what, it's fine. I'll just keep, the yellow one, stick with that, and that's enough. I'm regretting now I didn't get another color because now all of them are sold out. I have seen them for resale on some sites up to $165. That is completely crazy. Don't pay $165 for this. This purse mirror was $45, which, even that is pricey for a purse mirror. I do not think it's worth it for $165, and I saw it at $115 in some other places. I would say just wait. I'm sure at some point Chanel will bring back other purse mirrors. So even though this is a limited edition, or if you wait a while, people will be reselling them for less, I would imagine. So anyway, it's very cute. I'm glad I picked one up, and I plan to put it in my Chanel bag. So that was my first item. And my second item is from my friend. She did ask me what I liked. You can probably guess from the size of the box that it is a fragrance. And there's a card from her, which, let me see what the card says. She got this at Bergdorf Goodman. Happy birthday. Enjoy. You deserve it. And then she signed her name. I love how Chanel packages things. Even if you buy a nail polish and ask them to wrap it, they will do a beautiful job. At the holidays, they have the pretty holiday ribbons, and I've gotten little Chanel nail polishes wrapped up as little token thank you gifts to people at the holidays. And it's just so pretty. So if you are looking for a nice gift that isn't terribly expensive, don't discount Chanel makeup or fragrances. And it is Chanel fragrance. And let's see, it is Gardenia Eau de Parfum. I absolutely love Gardenia. It is such a nice scent. My two favorite Chanel scents are Chanel No. 5 and Gardenia. I was introduced to Gardenia when I attended an event at one of the Chanel stores, and everybody was given a Gardenia fragrance as a gift. And then I went back to the store for another event, and I was given another bottle of Gardenia. So I absolutely love Gardenia. I got completely hooked on it at that time, and I have hardly any left out of those two bottles. So when my friend asked me, what I wanted, which fragrance, and I told her either Chanel No. 5 or Gardenia, whichever one was available, whichever she could get, because I'm actually, I think, really low on Chanel No. 5 as well. I may even be out of it. And I'm just, I'm left with samples to use. So anyway, I'm so excited to have this. And actually, I'll open it so you can see the bottle. I am kind of a creature of habit when it comes to fragrance, although I've been trying to branch out, and I had been using Chanel No. 5 since I was in junior high school. So for me to kind of switch to a different fragrance, although I still use Chanel No. 5, but that says something about how wonderful Gardenia is. And this is the bottle. It's the sleek Chanel bottle. There you go. And this is, I believe, the 75 milliliter. And I think this retails for around $150, somewhere in that range, $150 to $160, which, is not cheap, but I love it, and it does last a long time. So anyway, guys, that is it for this video. These are two of the luxury items that I got for my birthday. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with some more things to unwrap, unbox, reveal, whatever. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.